Hi there, Gerard here. Let me share with you the 5 top secrets of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is your new success ladder. These 5 secrets will help you climb it easier. 1. Niche selection. Choosing the right niche is crucial for affiliate marketing success. Focus on a specific niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. This allows you to target a specific audience and stand out from the competition. 2. Quality content creation. Create valuable and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Provide useful information, product reviews, tutorials, and actionable tips. High-quality content builds trust with your audience and increases the likelihood of them making a purchase through your affiliate links. 3. Building an email list. Building an email list is an effective way to connect with your audience and promote affiliate products. Offer a free resource or incentive in exchange for visitors' email addresses. Regularly engage with your subscribers by providing valuable content and recommending relevant products. 4. Strategic promotion. Instead of simply placing affiliate links throughout your content, strategically promote products. Consider the placement, context, and relevance of your affiliate links. Incorporate them naturally into your content, such as within product reviews or in the context of solving a problem. 5. Testing and tracking. Continuously test and track your affiliate marketing efforts to optimize your strategy. Use analytics tools to measure the performance of different campaigns, track conversions, and identify areas for improvement. Split testing can help you refine your promotional techniques and determine what resonates best with your audience. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it's been helpful. Here are other ways you can reach out to me. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification button and follow to keep up to date with more affiliate news on these channels. Click the link in my bio to find out how I got started with affiliate marketing.